So, how to track your British passport application? So, once you've applied for a British passport, you should get an application reference number. You can usually find the reference number in emails and text messages sent from the passport office. So, it should be 3 letters followed by 10 numbers. And then, once you've got that reference number, you want to come to this web page here, where you're then going to need to sign in using your reference number.
But I'll also leave a link below in the description.
So, as I said, the format of the reference number should be something like PEX followed by 10 numbers. And then once you've input that information, you'll then just need to input your email and date of birth. So that will be the email address that you use to apply for your British passport. And then once you've input that information, if you just go ahead and click continue, it should pull you through to a web page which looks like this. It will then go ahead and tell you the recent status of your passport application, whether if it's just been received, accepted, or rejected, or even out for delivery already. In addition to this as well, you may also get text message updates too, whenever there is a new update. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.